and here's the problem right here. As you can see, this one here hold the water, but like this one here holds the water. You see the water over there, but this one here, the water leaked down, so 3 cylinders didn't work right at all. I just want to share with you guys, if something happened that you fix, you're trying to fix your misfire cylinder, it's not nothing helps. Like you change your plugs, you change your coils, it's not helping. So that's the problem in my case. Right here is 4-cylinder misfire. That's the 4-cylinder. Now this is what it looks like after we rebuilt the head valves. So now we're ready to install this thing here. The pistons of the fuel injection cleaner, and all the piston rings are brand new. And also the water pump is new. Now we're gonna pull this out and install the timing chain. We got the head gasket here. Okay, we got sometimes you have a problem, like you check engine light on and it tells you that you have a exhaust oxygen sensor is going bad. So what I'm gonna do bypass. So now we make a bypass. If this sensor will go bad, that will tell computer everything is good. No more check engine light for this. And I have 2 of them. One on manifold exhaust manifold, and one on the whole exhaust.
Ну, штифтом не катай. Что?
We got the head is installed, so now we're gonna put some head bolts back.
Ты знаешь что?
Goes first, and then second, 26 full of torque. Это не докрутил. $26. Hold on. I'll show you guys. If you are buying the set for the exhaust manifold gasket, it might goes up like this, circle ones, but all you gotta do just put it in the place, and it will get a shape that where you need it. Yeah, this thing is ready to roll. Now we got the time chain is changed, and also the water pump chain. If you are changing, make sure you change the water pump and the water pump chain also, because if not, it's gonna give you trouble. Now we got the brand new engine here. It was the burner, fourth cylinder valve was burning. That's why it gives me the trouble code for the fourth cylinder misfire. Now we got this manifold ready to go, and all we gotta do is just wrap everything, and we're gonna start up here in a couple minutes. Yeah, here's the cover for the water pump and timing chain. So everything is brand new. When you change your the front seal, you gotta change the whole thing, because if not, this thing is gonna give you trouble. It's gonna leak. So make sure when you change the time chain and seal, front seal, you make sure you change the pulley too. Alright, we got a brand new computer here, which is a problem, wasn't the problem, but we got everything new. We got also I did change the fuel filter and the fuel pump. A lot of brand new stuff on this car. I know it might be not worth it. Brand new radiator, like here, brand new radiator, brand new AC condenser. If you change your AC, make sure you change the condenser and all of that, because if not, it's not gonna blow any cold air. So there you go. Now we're gonna wash it. We're gonna tape it around, make sure the water don't get there, or we're gonna use the carburetor cleaner, because all this dirt is gotta go. I'm gonna make it as a brand new engine, so hopefully it will start up. Got everything taped down. We're using a hot water. Make sure you covered up the electronic stuff with your plastic bags. That's what I did. So guys, moment of truth. The first time I'm gonna start up this engine after all this rebuilt. Looks like everything is hooked up. Let's try. See what happens. Alright, first time guys. Start up. You gotta start. It's pretty smooth. Smell some oil burning, but yes sir. Got it. I don't know why the check engine light on, but find out that later on. Alright, that was what it was. The problem was the four-cylinder misfire because of the head valves was burning. The four-cylinder head valve was burning, so that was the reason